Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. Just to recap, this is going to be another weekly vlog of being a hairdresser living in Colorado. And just to give y'all a little backstory, I just got back from Vegas, so this is also going to be like a reset from that because we need to get the life together after going out of town. But yeah, let's get into it. Hope y'all enjoy. Feet, man. When I put on my shoes this morning, I was like, I don't want to work today. My feet are just so freaking tired. Sore, honestly. Not even tired. They're, well, both, but they're so freaking sore. Just to recap, I literally had just gotten back from Vegas last night. Not even last night. It was today at 12:30 a.m. So I slept for a little bit, worked, so I'm just exhausted. We also walked so much. But if you want to see my Vegas vlog, I'll have the link in the description. So y'all can check that one out if you want to watch that. I literally bought 5 piñas before I left to Vegas, and one of them's completely bad. One of them was halfway bad. This one, this one's not terrible. I decided to just juice the piñas, that way I can just drink the juice. Hey guys, I just got home. Today was a freaking long day. I haven't had a busy day yet this week, and last week wasn't too busy, but today was busy. I did a few haircuts. I did 2 fades. I haven't done fades much, honestly, since I moved here because that's just not the clientele that's at the salon. But honestly, they both turned out good, and they both really liked it, so that's good. And I did 2 foil partials, and they both turned out so pretty. Like, it was a good day. Like, everybody's hair turned out good. I even had my, I even ate my lunch while one of my clients was processing because we were working through permanent color, so I knew she was gonna process for a minute. And so I ate my lunch during that. I did 2 buns today. They're not perfect, honestly. Like, this one could definitely be a little bit fluffier. But you know what? I didn't really care this morning. I woke up late. I just have not been sleeping the best since I got back from Vegas. But honestly, I don't sleep good anyway. So it's like, I'm not blaming Vegas. I'm just like, I just went straight from work to Vegas to work. So it's like my brain is just like non-stop, and I know that whenever like I'm thinking a lot, my brain is like this, it's hard to sleep. But I'm rocking my little braids down today. Look cute with my buns. Bro, going out of town and coming back in town and eating like your food again, nothing better. We back. I changed. Well, I just took off my clothes. But it's getting hot in here. So, okay, let me show you what we got. Got the jalapenos in here. They got a little bit, some of them got a little crispy, but it's okay, okay. And then we got los tomates. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit longer. And then we're gonna make a salsa, because I haven't had a salsa in a minute. And then we got some red bell peppers cut up. And we got fruit. Las uvas, las fresas. Don't skip on watching y'all's fruit, because do you see this? Do y'all see the nastiness? The grapes ain't too bad. You can tell though. You see all the nasty things? Decided to make some peas because we need lunch for tomorrow. Isn't it crazy like how much I cook? Like, I'd be like, do I really eat that much? And I really do. So anyways, let's make the salsa. Oh yeah, she's spicy. She hot. We're gonna let her hang out for a little bit. Happy Saturday. Just got off work. It was a busy day. I didn't take any pictures because I didn't really do anything like I did do a few hair colors, but not big transformations, so I didn't take any before or afters. Just got home. And I'm off for the next few days. Oh my God, just taking my shoes off, I'm like, oh, thank God. I don't even want to be on my feet at all. No, but today's one of Nick's friends' birthdays. We're gonna hang out after Nick gets off work. And so I'm thinking of making some cookies. Because I feel like that would be nice if I had some cookies. The only thing, he's allergic to literally everything. So Just woke up from a nap. And Nick gets off in like 10 minutes. So I'm like, you know what? I can still make some cookies real quick. I got like 20 minutes. Add some sugar. That's brown sugar. This is white sugar. Vanilla. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some flour. So they're definitely on the crispy side, but they taste really good. I already had one. Hey guys, today is Monday, day off. I've been resting. Yesterday was the first day where I was able to sleep in a little bit. I took a nap during the day, and it was not like a 30-minute nap. Like, I don't know how many hours it was, but just know it was much needed because Vegas was a lot. And then I went straight to work, and it's just been a lot. Even one of the girls yesterday at the rink, because yesterday we went and played hockey, because y'all know every Sunday we have practice. And one of the girls there was like, every time I get back from Vegas, she's like, I need like a week-long vacation because it's just so much. And I'm like, literally what I needed. And I went straight to work. So I have not had time to rest. So that was yesterday. I just ran 3 miles. What? Shout out to myself. So I did 30 minutes of Stairmaster this morning, and I wanted to go for a walk because it felt nice. It was actually like 80, I think, when I was on my run, which is great because one thing about me is I do like to run, but I can't run when it's cold. Out the shower feeling fresh. I decided to make some cookies. I've had this pineapple, it's been frozen in the freezer for a minute, and I just need to do something with this. I'm gonna make some pineapple cookies. Only done pineapple cookies once ever. So yeah, we're gonna see how those come out. Honestly, the last time they were good though. Let's try one. I added a blueberry to the middle so that it had a little bit of a blueberry. They're so soft though. And you can taste this, the pineapple. Let's see the blueberry bite. Did it again. Made a bomb cookie from nothing. I've worked out freaking hard today and yesterday. Oh my goodness. Yesterday I did 30 minutes of the Stairmaster, which was not like nothing crazy because I wasn't going very fast. And then but in the afternoon I went for a walk and I ended up running 3 miles. So today I'm like home and like doing nothing. So I was like, oh, let me go work out. I signed up for some classes at work, right? Because there's still a lot of classes I haven't taken yet. Like I took a cycling class. That was like the newer one that I've taken. But there's still like a bunch of classes. But then tell me why. I was like, I'm already gonna be there. Might as well take 2 classes. So I was looking at like what classes were back to back that would like work out nice, right? And the first class, tell me why, it's a freaking HIIT cardio class. Or I don't know if cardio, but it's a HIIT class with cardio and strength. And oof, I was feeling it. Like I could tell I was so freaking sore. I hadn't even noticed I was sore from yesterday's workout, honestly, until we started doing that class because oh my goodness, she had us doing stuff like stuff that I haven't done in a very long time. Lower body, upper body, everything was in this HIIT class. And then we did this one ab one. Oh, I was like, but my legs I was feeling during that class. And then tell me why my second class that I scheduled was a lower body workout, like lower body workshop, I think. And I was like, dang, I literally killed my legs yesterday. Killed them in this HIIT class. And now I'm about to go freaking kill them again. And thankfully it was just like an intro to lifting. So like we went over like form and I learned some good things. We did like I think we did 5 leg workouts and I was like the end of it, I was shaking. Ooh, but then we did some good stretching after. Like, it's just so good to take classes in general because like it's a trainer that's like showing you and like you're watching them. So you're watching them like do it correctly versus like when you just go alone, you don't really know. Like, oh, okay, I think this is right. Because sometimes I feel like, turn this on because I'm about to eat. He's like, drink a lot of water, eat hella protein and vitamin C. He was like, I was like, I have some emergencies, and he was like, oh, take like drink like 3 of them. I was like, that ain't that much. And then he also said I think I need to do like 100 pounds or 100 grams of protein, which I do. I feel like I do decent with my eating, but like low key, I have been off. Like I am not right now where I want to be. So I definitely want to like eat good the next few days because I will definitely be feeling it. Like my butt is gonna look good after this. That was my day. It's 8 o'clock now at night, which is kind of wild. The day kind of flew by. I was at the gym for 4 hours. And then after the class, because I walked there, took a class that was 45 minutes. Him and I like worked on like the leg stuff for an hour. Then I go back downstairs to the salon, and of course everybody is still there. It's 7 o'clock, we close at 6, and everybody's still there, of course, because like it's impossible to leave. The one girl still had a client. I was like, dang girl, you still got a client, oh my goodness. And she was like finishing foiling her, so she still had to process, rinse, tone, style, haircut if she's doing a haircut. Oh my goodness, I hope she's not there that late. But they were there, so I was just like hanging out with them, chilling. And then I was like, all right guys, I'm gonna head out so I can start this walk. So long story short, I walked home and I'm gonna end this video here. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And I'm actually so excited for my next video because I always say I want to record videos in Spanish, like do a weekly vlog in Spanish, and I never do. And this next video I'm gonna do in Spanish. So I hope you guys subscribe so y'all can see that. But yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.